Quantum League Capital here, guys, and we're back with another video. So I just want to go over the trades that we took and kind of follow up on some of the analysis that we had. Let me get the trade history right there so you can see. It makes it a lot easier. Okay. So currently we had one buy and two sells on this account. As you can see, these are the two sells right here for about $1,200 that we made on that trade. So this was the first trade where this blue arrow is, and we got out where this red arrow is. So how much did we make on that trade? $1,500, almost $1,600. So it's kind of a follow-up on what I was saying last night. We're kind of bullish on gold, but it started off pretty bearish, to be honest. Price just kept coming down, but we had formed this little support right here, as I said, and then go back down to the 1 hour. We broke below support, but I wasn't completely convinced. It kind of felt like a little bit of a fake out. So we had the candle that came down, closed below, and then immediately a candle that came up. So this candle right here came down a little bit, started wicking, showing some exhaustion, and then so I entered in with a pretty tight stop loss. And we could have made about 40, 50 pips, but we got out at around like 30, 20, 30 pips, somewhere around there. And then we kind of saw rejections, and this is going down to the lower time frames now. So these were more of just like scalps, to be honest. These were really, really quick trades. So we started to see rejections on the hour. Like right here, big rejection candle. We had come back up. We'd come to 1642. Then we have this doji candle showing the indecisiveness. And short term, we had just been pretty bearish since the open. So we go back down to the 30-minute. I was like, okay, we've taken our buy. It looks pretty good to sell. So we start coming down right here. We have this big giant exhaustion wick right here on this 30-minute candle. And then we also broke the low of this candle. So when I see that, I'm kind of like, okay, we close below. 1 hour ends on a doji, 30-minute with a big wick. We start coming back up. I'm like, okay, it's looking good to sell now. Put stop loss at 1640. Right above here, it was like 12, 15 pips. Really, really tight stop loss. We got out at about 10 pips. Really small trade. We could have made 30, but, it is what it is. We could have made like double or triple of what we made off of these two trades, but it's all good. $3,000 is not bad at all. I will take that. We still got about 3 weeks left on this account, so the account will be done by the 18th. Yeah, so we still got 1, 2, 3 weeks. So that's it for that. That's probably the only trades I'm going to be taking for the day. No more trading for me. But also, I said I had something big coming on Monday, and now I want to introduce that. It's called the Quantum Challenge. And so I hope you guys will be following along with this. I think that this will be something cool to follow along, and other people can join in as well. And it can maybe become like a little community of people that are trying to create their futures and realities and dreams and accomplish those and manifest them. So maybe I'll create like a Discord or a Telegram or something where people can join and we can come together and, encourage each other, support each other, and stuff like that. So let's get into what the Quantum Challenge is. Get your mind, body, and soul aligned to the future you want to create in the quantum field. This is whatever that means to you. Do you want to lose weight and be healthy? Do you want more money? Do you want more success? Do you want to attract a loving relationship? Whatever it is you desire, you can have. This challenge will be to show you the steps and progress of my journey, and so others can join along too, and post with the tag Quantum Challenge. You don't have to do that, but if you do, shout out. My goals and dreams that I want to achieve in the near term. So these are just some of the goals that I'm putting out there, and we can like measure and follow along with. I want to add 3 new funded accounts, 600K in total because they're 200K apiece. So 600K in total for Infinitive Funding. That's the company that I'm currently taking challenges with. I currently weigh about 220 pounds, and I want to lose weight and get to 180. Generally be healthier. So that's 40 pounds lost. And this one will take quite a while to see like the progress of. But by next year, I want to become a resident of Dubai and start a new company in Dubai. So those are my 3 goals that I'm going to put out there. I have more goals, but these are, I would say, probably the main ones that I'm looking at right now. Now, what is a quantum challenge, and where did this come from, and what do you mean by creating your reality and aligning yourself to the future in the quantum field? What does this mean? So this was inspired by Dr. Joe Dispenza, who is a neuroscientist that discovered we can create our reality by imagining and rehearsing our future in our minds and get the body to feel the emotion as if the event already happened. If you can get your body to think that the event has already happened by triggering the emotion, it will radiate that frequency into the quantum field to attract your future to you. It literally starts to change your genes and prime your genes to attract the environment. If you want to know more, I suggest you research him and his work because honestly, I could be here all day talking about it. Now, the way to achieve this is mostly through meditation and getting your mind and body aligned to envision your future and having your body feel that emotion as if it has already happened. So let me give an example. Let's say your goal is to make $1 million. Basically, you have to envision that in your mind, picture it like to a great detail as if it's happening in your mind, and then on top of that, like feel the emotion in your body as if you made that $1 million. So obviously, if you made $1 million, you're going to be fucking happy as fuck. You're going to be feeling grateful. Like, you're going to be jumping up and down with joy. Like, if you win $1 million or you make $1 million, like, you're going to be fucking ecstatic. So that's an example of what I'm saying. You have to feel that emotion as if it's already happened. And that is one of the most key parts of it. And also changing your personality, because you're going to be changing yourself to align with that future self. So he always says a quote and like a saying that is change your personality and you will change your reality. So once you do this, your actions need to correlate with your beliefs and what you want to be, aka you must become that person you want to be in the future while attracting it. It's not just meditation and wishful thinking. Maintain that state of being for as long as you can throughout the day. It takes practice, but keep going. Whoever follows, we are in this together. I will be recording the progress as it goes along. And if you guys want, I can post some links. I'll probably maybe put it in the comments or whatever, but there's links to meditations on YouTube that are free that you can do in the morning. There's also walking meditations where you, quote unquote, like step into your future and walk. It's a mixture of like sitting meditation and walking meditation. You envision your future and then you start walking as if you are your future self. It's really, really powerful, to be honest. And then there's like an evening meditation where you check in at night and you're like, okay, did my actions and my mindset and my state of being, did it align with my future self? Was there anywhere where I messed up and that I need to improve on, etc., etc.? So we're going to be starting this today. So yeah, I'm really excited. And we're going to be recording the progress. I'm going to be posting stuff probably like me walking. I'm going to be posting like weight updates. Obviously, this is a trading channel as well, so like I'm going to be posting all the profits and losses that are being made on this account. By next year, I want to become a resident of Dubai. Like that one obviously is going to take time because that goal is by next year. But I just wanted to put that there because I wanted to throw in a longer term goal. Because honestly, the 600K, I feel like I can get pretty quickly. The 180 pounds, I feel like I can get down to pretty quickly. And yeah. So hopefully you guys follow along. Hopefully you guys, have some goals and dreams that you want to accomplish, and we can accomplish it in a different way. Still putting in the work and the physical, but also mentally, spiritually aligning ourselves so it doesn't have to be as difficult, and we already feel complete and whole and already have those emotions in us where it's like it's already happened, so it's not even necessary. You know what I mean? You're just going to start attracting it to your reality. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Quantum Challenge starts today. Hopefully you join along, and peace out, guys.